man, we finally arrived at our location and this is Agon Beach. Agon Beach पे नहीं आए अपन लोग. There's this place that Vaughn had sent me, so we'll be trekking there. So this is going to be our route. मतलब we'll follow the मतलब it is called coastal line पर रही थी. We'll follow the coastal line from there and the sea is kind of not that rough also, but हाँ थोड़ा बहुत है, मतलब लहरें बहुत घमासान हो रही है फिलहाल. So we'll just figure out a way to get on the other side of the rock. It's close by only, I think that's what it's showing. But before that, hello, namaskar, a very good morning to all of you out there. Everyone is doing absolutely fine. My name is Harshit Bhandari. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is Vaughan Fernandez. He's just setting up the drone. सबसे बड़ा जोक तो वही हो गया भाई. The biggest joke for today is he dropped his phone early in the morning while preparing tea and he has bought tea today. So वो भी मस्त हो गया. He dropped his phone is not working, so just downloaded everything, the DJI Fly app and everything that is necessary to fly the drone. अपना phone वहाँ पे है. It's been getting set up हो रहा है फिलहाल. He's doing. Once he sets it up, we'll just move from here and हाँ time की कमी as always है अपन को. With that being said, मिलते हैं आपको once we start the thing. And अगर कुछ I had to say something but then I forgot now. अगर कुछ बात करनी होगी तो definitely बताएंगे. This is Agon Beach and it's a beautiful Sunday morning. बहुत ज़्यादा बकचोदी हो गई. मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में आपसे. So we are on the move and he's handling the drone. You can't even see him. He's right there. It's not even 7 o'clock. Yeah. It's not even 7 o'clock and Surya Devta अपना काम पूर्ण तरीके से कर रहे हैं. The heat is too much. It's too sunny out here today. Let's see, we'll be doing this. We'll go like this. So we've just asked the locals here. There are two ways. एक इस तरफ से है, but God bless me. I said this is the route that we have to take, ये वाला. So yeah, let's see, hopefully we'll find it. We have 2 hours to trek, not 2 hours, it's 1.5 hours left to go to the place, locate it, take some shots, chill for a while, have some tea and get back. So all in all we have 1.5 hours, so we have to do everything in 1.5 hours. And look at this, the sexy hair is here. Yo. Chalo, see you in a while. I don't know if this is the place that we are supposed to be or is this oh man, oh my god, we climbed so much. Oh, these are the big rocks. We were down there and I don't know if this is the place that we were supposed to be, but I'm loving it already. I don't know, we'll trek a bit more. We'll also try to get up there because that looks nice. Man, the view from here, it's crazy, man. This is so good for camping and all. Ah shit, man, what a view, man, what a view, man. It couldn't have got better. Boys vlogging up as well. And यार ये जगह ना ऐसे GoPro पे तो नहीं दिखाएंगे आपको. Since we have a drone here, we'll fly it here definitely because it's worth it. This is definitely not the place that we were supposed to come to. It'll be that side mostly because it was showing a bit of a trek when we saw it on Google Maps. But this place, dude, I mean, like a perfect place, I will say, for camping. And I am sure people come here for camping, that's for sure. Because भाई जगह ही ऐसी है, मतलब आप सोचो ना यार. This is there, the rock is here, you camp out here Man, you have this amazing view of the horizon. Dude, imagine camping here, waking up to this. Exactly right. Hi. Man, it was a decision. It was a decision that we had to make, whether to turn back or keep on, moving forward because of the rains. And I'm glad we chose to move forward because, man, this is epic. And we have the 50mm. So, photo bhi ekdam bhai chummak aane wala hai, chummak photo ka. Oh ho. That is Kapdaram. You all might not be able to see with this thing, but bade camera mein dikh jayega. That is Kapdaram Fort. And that is Kola, I think. Yeah, feels good for a Sunday. एंड अपना भाई चाय लेके आया है, तो चाय का लुत्फ भी उठाया जाएगा तत्काल प्रभाव में, अभी के अभी, right here right now, because we have to leave early as well. So let's see, we'll just have the tea first, then we'll decide whether to go or explore a bit more or go to हाँ बस बहुत होता है बस यहाँ पर किधर हो, विटामिन सी, विटामिन डी. We'll sit up or we'll go down. Can't decide. Exactly right. देखो भाई, GoPro से तो फोटो नहीं खींचूंगा मैं, वीडियो भी सिनेमैटिक्स, ड्रोन है, ड्रोन से कुछ करेंगे मज़ा, फिर डालेंगे व्लॉग में. चलो मिलते हैं आपसे एक चाय ब्रेक के बाद. So the GoPro is about to die. It's 19% and we are actually done for the day. We won't go any further as we have to leave as well. But we'll just go and see up there and what is there on the other side. And we really miss Sita today. हाँ यार, थोड़े photos वगैरह खींचे तो Instagram पे check जरूर करना, उस बंदे को भी check करना Instagram पे. Yeah, those are his legs. No one is watching your mouth. Oh my god. हाँ, सुकून है यार, यहाँ पे सुकून है. I hope I've not missed anything in the vlog as of today. I'll be ending it here. I don't know how long the vlog is. It won't be a very long vlog. छुटकू सा trip था, छुटकू सा vlog है, छुटकू सा, just enjoyed the tea like anything. We just had tea with this view in front of us. Man, it was fun. It was mad fun. With that being said, I hope you all enjoyed today's. How was the day? Too good. We'll just go have some tea and then अपने काम पे लग जाएंगे संडे को भी. With that being said, I hope you all enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you all like this in some or the other way. I hope I was able to bring a smile on your face. I hope he was able to bring a smile on your face. With that being said, thank you for making me a part of your day. I'll see you soon in the next vlog. Bye. Take care, stay safe, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and peace. It's been a while I've said this. It's been more than 3 months, I guess. So yeah, one final look at the view. Like, this is it. This is it, man. This is it. Man. Sexy legs. Man, this view is crazy.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I gotta build up the bank to make me a safe house.